Hey guys, I'm Elliott. This is Everything Elliott, and this is a 2005 Kenworth T300 dump truck. This dump truck has been in a previous video of mine where we just got it cleaned up, found some oil leaks, and the owner, Luke, actually bought some parts. Waiting on those to come in, but that's not the point of today's video. The point of today's video is we are going to straight pipe this thing. Now, it is pre-emissions, so we're not breaking any emission laws. Basically just going to take a muffler out, and I really couldn't find any good videos on the old YouTubes of people doing this and a before and after, so we're aiming to make a little bit of a more professional straight pipe video, I guess. I don't know. The muffler is on the passenger side. Not great camera angles over there. I just finished saying we're going to make a professional video. Now, taking the mufflers out, taking the muffler out, it's like a couple 9/16 bolts, nothing crazy, but then we'll jump back in. We're gonna do some welding, and yeah, it's gonna be two clamps and a welded joint, and that's it. This is what it's gonna be: foot of straight section, 4-inch pipe, a 90-degree sweep, 4-inch. Weld those two together, clamp on one end, clamp on the other end. Bob's your uncle.
Easy breezy cover girl, huh? Dude, my camera's getting such a good shot of your ass right now. Oh, it's definitely going now, huh? Yeah? Yeah.
Yep, we're free.
We're free? Alright, cool.
Free over here.
There will be right around on there. Done. Yeah. All right, your truck is straight piped. This is probably gonna be don't clean up too much. This is gonna be a 2-man lift. You're wiping all your hard work away. You gotta take that home and show your girl. Say, look at me, honey, I worked hard today. Straight pipe, hell yeah, brother.
I'm aware of how destiny is gonna take its course, brother. Brother, 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 brother.
All right,
You got it?
I got the muffler.
No, you got that. You got that bolt.
Yep.
Oh wow.
This shouldn't. We might be able to come out now.
Should.
Okay. Straight pipe. You're gonna wake the baby up.
All right, so this is where we're at. We got the muffler out, and I've actually marked the pipe, so we just need to cut it, make sure it's the correct length. We'll weld that section together, and then basically just put it together. So it's literally only, I don't know, 10 inches. That's all we need. So we'll cut it, and don't judge me. I don't have a cold cut saw, and I'm not great at using a circular saw, an angle grinder to do this. I could use the plasma cutter, but I know I won't do it straight, so we're gonna use a Sawzall.
All right, so I'm just gonna hop under the truck. I'm gonna put the 90 and this together and just make sure I'm at a correct length before we fire up the welder and weld the 90 to this.
All right, so it's time to weld the pipe up, and I got all the paper cleaned off of it. For the welding, we're going to be using the ESAB 285 Rebel, the Rebel 285, and it's going to be a pretty simple weld. We're just going to have to do this joint right here. Shouldn't be bad. We'll weld up here too. Won't be bad at all. All right, we got the pipe welded up and came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. We're gonna let it cool because I'm gonna have to do a lot of handling of this thing. So we'll let it sit here for 15 minutes or so. Enjoy a couple adult beverages. That's what we do here late night in the shop. And let's give you a close-up of these welds. So this Rebel 285 has a nice feature. It's a smart weld. And you basically just select the size wire you're using and the size material you're using, and it makes you a better welder. Is this gonna focus? No. You can see my start stops, but not terrible. All right, it's warm, so we'll let it cool down and then we'll just slap it in the truck. I apologize for the lack of angles and the lack of light. I know we said we were making a professional video, but you'll have to believe me. There's just the down pipe coming straight off here with the 90 into this. It's literally that simple. Wrestling this together is going to be the hardest part. It's going to be super difficult. How are we going to do this? Okay, perfect. This is gonna work like a dream. So what I'm doing now is just putting the exhaust clamp from this flex pipe onto this 90 that we just welded up. It's we're reusing exhaust clamps. You probably shouldn't, but we're gonna. Apparently Luke watches my videos, so guess we'll talk a little about him. You shouldn't reuse exhaust clamps, but he's too cheap, so we're reusing exhaust clamps. So now I'm going to put this hanger, it's not a hanger, it's a clamp. I'm going to put this clamp underneath on the other side of that straight pipe that we put in. She's officially straight piped. Oh wait. I'm gonna put this one clamp back on. I'm gonna put the clamp back on and we'll do a little start, but the baby's sleeping, so we're not gonna rev it. You guys heard it without the stack on it. I don't know if it'll sound any different, but we're gonna find out.
All right, so I took the mic off. I don't have it on my head anymore. It probably sounds a little different, but that's because if I keep the mic on, I go in the truck and start it, you're not gonna hear it as well. And when I fire the truck up, you're gonna hear a lot of engine noise because diesels are loud. So what we'll do is we'll put you right here, and then I'm gonna kind of move you over near the man door, get you a better sound over there maybe. I don't know, we'll see what happens. All right, a lot of engine noise, so we'll move over towards the door.
All right, so it's obviously late at night. I'm not gonna sit here going crazy, revving the thing. Well, because the baby's sleeping. And if I wake the baby up, I'm gonna have hell to pay from the wife. So it does sound good. It sounds way better than it did. And I don't know how it's gonna come over the camera, but it sounds great in person. And what we can do is tomorrow during the day when the baby's up, we'll come over here. I'll teach him how to rev it, and I'll have him rev it up. We'll bounce it off the limiter a little bit, maybe. I don't know. It'll be a good time. And then tomorrow during the day, we'll do some flybys, kind of like what we did with the truck when it had a muffler on it. So stick around.